Want to see me plow snow at my laundromats? Well, this is the video for you. I got to go plow this 3 to 4 inches we just got off of laundromats. Got 3 places to hit, get home, go back to bed. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to give this a shot. We're going to hit the sidewalk real quick and we're going to be done with this property. Then we're going to head over to the gun and knife district. This thing kicks ass. These things do have drawbacks. Wet snow. It gets hung up on stuff too, like grass. So if your sidewalks are busted up and grassy, it's going to get hung up.